It's on. Hi, once again, I'm T.H. Gilhane for Solar Cities.
Cristian Arau.
And with Christian, we're standing in a field of zacate.
Zacate.
Zacate. Y el zacate es una planta para la nutrición de los animales.
De los animales.
So
Sí.
it's a plant that they use to feed animals. ¿Cerdos? No.
No, vacas.
The vacas. So cows are fed on this. And you planted this here so that you could use the biodigesters fertilizer to grow food to feed other animals. Is that right?
Yes. Sí.
So what was here before? ¿Qué fue aquí antes?
Básicamente se preparó el terreno para que se plantara, ¿no?
So what we're looking at, it looks like we're in the jungle, but what we're actually in is a fantastically productive pasture, really. This is a farm, and the pig production is creating part of this industrial ecology that we often talk about, where food is coming in to feed pigs, pigs are turning it into manure, manure is turning it into biogas to generate electricity and into liquid fertilizer, and that is then coming in turn into this area here where it's growing this very rich, highly nutritious grass called zacate that they use to feed cows, which then of course will feed other people, producing milk and producing meat. And there's other things in here like this nona. This is a wild version, noni, but there's an edible fruit, noni, that's sold in the market. This one's not mature yet. So many possibilities, but the idea is that what formerly was considered an industrial problem, the idea that you've got these feedlot operations, they call them CAFOs, concentrated animal feedlot operation, and many environmentalists are against CAFOs, and they'll give you all sorts of reasons why CAFOs should not be used, why they should protest against them, but economically, that's not going to happen because we have a huge and rising human population, we have a huge and rising urban population that needs to be fed, that is going to be fed, and CAFOs are going to be used because of the limited amount of space. But here, you've got a CAFO in the jungle that's protecting the rainforest, and what's more, producing not something that's contaminating our rivers or our lakes or our oceans, not contaminating our air, but producing actual clean air through biogas-generated electricity, and there's no fumes, no smoke at all, no greenhouse gas emissions, and is producing more food to grow more animals, to feed more people, and to grow more rainforest. And with this multi-cropping, yes, you get your grasses to feed your domestic animals, but you also have all of these plants feeding wild animals. And this is actually a nature preserve. A butterfly just went by. This is a nature preserve that's filled with crocodiles and armadillos and quatimundis and many, many different types of wildlife, which would not be here if the CAFO operation for pigs wasn't here. They need to preserve more rainforest in order to buffer the animal feedlot operations so that no diseases could be transmission between human beings, animals, and different types of animals. So you're looking at a model here in industrial ecology. I'm very proud to be with you. Thank you very much for this.
Thank you.